Hi, so I wanted to do a quick video and show you this cluster is from a Vauxhall Vivaro, also used on Renault Trafics. Now this customer is complaining that the LCDs are not working. They were intermittent, but now they're permanently not working. So I'll switch it on over here. So as you can see here, the indicators work over here. The gauges do work. You can't see them going up over here because we haven't connected it to the simulator, but they do work. He's not complaining about that. Obviously we'll test it for that anyway. So they are working, but the LCD, as you can see, is not working. Now you probably can't see this in the video. I'm just going to switch it off and switch it back on again. Okay, you probably can't see this in the video, but you could just see the backlight coming on here and here, but obviously there's no LCD display on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this over to the techs. They're going to have a look at what the problem is, repair it, and then I'll show you it working after it comes back to me. Hi, so the cluster's back from the technicians. They've repaired the whole unit for us. So they've replaced the LCD on the unit. So I know it looks like two different LCDs here, but it's not. If you open the unit up, it's actually one LCD that's covering both units. So they've replaced the LCD. That's what was faulty with it. They've also worked on the gauges as well. Looks like they've replaced the gauges as well and done some work on the circuit board to make it fully remanufactured for the customer. I'll just switch it on for you. So you can see the gauges judder, the ignition lights are on, and you can see the LCD on as well. So this is the LCD. We can't get this to come on the bench, but we know that's because of our test gear. But we know that if the top one comes on, the whole thing's going to come on anyway. So it's all working now. Just switch that off, it times out. So they've tested this for about 7 hours on the bench, so we know that it's all working perfectly. It's all ready to go back to the customer. So if you have any clusters like this or any other clusters that you want repairing, please send it to us. We'll be happy to help.